Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is equipped with 7 unique and customizable cooking functions to get you started. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL also comes with a ceramic-coated crisper plate to optimize airflow for evenly crisped and flavorful meals. Be sure to push the crisper plate all the way down so it sits evenly in the basket. The Max Crisp function provides you with hotter and faster cooking for extra crispiness at 450 degrees. To activate, press the Max Crisp button and use the time up and down arrows to adjust the cook time. Then press Start, Stop to begin cooking. The Max Crisp is ideal for your favorite pre-packed frozen foods such as French fries, chicken nuggets, mozzarella sticks, and more. It enables you to cook your favorite frozen foods faster with crisper results. The air fry function allows you to crisp fresh and frozen foods without the guilt of deep-fried food. To activate, press the air fry button and use the temp and time up and down arrows to adjust the cook time and temperature. The air roast function can be used to roast foods traditionally made in an oven. With the broil rack, the air broil function can be used to give meals the perfect finish and crispiness. The bake function allows you to create sweets, treats, and desserts traditionally made in a home oven. The reheat function is perfect for reviving your favorite homemade or takeout leftovers. The dehydrate function gently removes moisture from foods to create delicious and healthy homemade snacks. It's recommended you preheat your Ninja Air Fryer Max XL for 3 minutes before placing ingredients in the basket. Once preheated, load ingredients, select function, and set desired time and temp. Cook times are displayed in both hours and minutes and are easily adjustable. Then press Start, Stop to begin cooking. When using Max Crisp, Air Fry, and Air Roast, be sure to shake ingredients throughout cooking for best results. To get food crispier, extend the cook time. To increase dehydrating capacity, you can use the broil rack. Simply place it on top of the crisper plate to add another layer of ingredients.
So this is the Ninja DZ201 6-in-1 air fryer. It is, in a word, awesome. In 2 words, freaking awesome. This thing is amazing. So let's take a look. Obviously, it's a Ninja brand product, so you're familiar with them. It's quality. You've got an air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and bake. So that's what they mean when they have the 6-in-1. It is DualZone. So This is my favorite part. You can actually cook two separate things, two separate temperatures in here, right? So it can be wings and this thing, veggies and this tray, no problem. As you can see, you can set zone 1, set zone 2, and they can be independent temperatures and independent times. Another cool thing, it has this smart finish mode, right? So let's say you are cooking two different things at two different temperatures, but they also need to cook for two different times. You can enable the smart finish technology, set the temperature for each zone, set the time for each zone, and the Ninja will set it up so that they finish at the same time. So if this one needs 20 and this one needs 10, it'll start the 21 first. When there's about 11 minutes left, it'll get the 10-minute one going so that they both finish at the same time. So you got the DualZone, two different foods, two different temperatures, even two different times. And don't worry, this thing will make sure that they finish at the same time so that you, your family, your friends, whomever can eat. Totally awesome. And then on the other side, as you can see, this sticker here is the match cook mode. That one's simple. Let's say I'm just doing a whole bunch of wings. I can put wings in there, hit match cook and say, hey, look, these are two different zones, but they're going to be same temp, same time, cook as one. And you can do the match cook and it will cook as one. So super cool. The maintenance is very easy. These canisters can both go into the dishwasher. They have these removable ceramic bottoms here, so that the airflow comes through nice and easy. It's an air fryer, so you want to make sure the airflow is good. And then on top of that, you also get, let me grab it here, these cooking racks as well. So you can layer it. You can have some food on the bottom shelf, some food on this top shelf. Again, still have that great airflow. Pops in, no problem. This thing is the best thing I bought all year. And of course, like I said, same thing. You pop this shelf out, you pop out the ceramic bottom, and you can put it all in your dishwasher, no problem. So this can go in the dishwasher. This shelf can go, this bucket can go in the dishwasher, and the rack can go in the dishwasher. I'm telling you, you will absolutely love this thing. And again, it's a Ninja product, so you know the quality will be there. The reviews on Amazon are all spectacular. Check it out. You'll find a great price. This is the Ninja DZ201 6-in-1 air fryer. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed.